How to create lookalike audience in Google Ads. So in this tutorial, guys, I'll show you how to create a lookalike audience in Google Ads, also known as a similar audience when based on your customer list. So in order for us to get started, all we need to do first is to prepare your customer list. So I want you to go on over the Google Sheets that you have over here and then create your customer list. Of course, you should also basically format it using the Google's, let's go ahead and do a quick search of that, which is Google's customer match requirements. Once you go ahead and search for this, you can actually see some tutorials on how to create a customer list on here on Google Ads. You could actually go ahead and create a CSV file by tapping on this option and viewing this as well. You also have some quick instructions on how to create the ideal CSV sheet or data file. And all we need to do is to go ahead and enter all of those data in our Google Sheet and create a CSV file. In order for us to create that, just tap on File, tap on Download, and then tap on comma separated values to create your CSV. Once you're done with that, I'd like you to go ahead and upload this CSV file to your Google Ads. So just go on over and launch Google Ads. Of course, I'd like you to also log into your preferred account. So if you haven't already, go ahead and do so on Google Ads and start with your account logging in. Once you're done with that, I want you to go on over to the Tools and Settings section. Next, tap on Shared Library, and then tap on your Audience Manager. Well, once you're over there, just tap on Segments and then Customer List to add your customer list. Upload your CSV file from that, and then you can now go ahead and choose how you collected the data. For example, you could also choose directly from customers and stuff like that, depending on your specific usage. Once you're done, just tap on Upload and Create. And the last thing that we need to do is to use it in our campaigns. Just tap on Create or Edit a Campaign, go to the Audiences section, under Browse, choose your data and similar segments, and then proceed with selecting the similar audience that you want to go ahead and target. But essentially, that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and take care.